Learning window. The verbs am going, is walking, are chirping show actions that are happening now. There are many ways of changing a verb or a doing word. One of the most common ways is to add ing to it. Examples: writing, laughing, sleeping, walking. Sometimes one doing word is not enough to complete a sentence. Read this sentence: I drinking milk. This sentence sounds incomplete. We have to add am before drinking to make complete sense of this sentence. I am drinking milk. Hence, we see that we have to often use am, is, and are along with ing form of doing words so that the sentences make complete sense. Now look at this table. It shows the correct use of is, am, are with ing form of a doing word. I am playing in the park. We are playing in the park. You are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. The boy is playing in the park. He is playing in the park. She is playing in the park. Mayank is playing in the park. Spelling rules with ing words. A. Some words end in E. When we add ing, we drop the E. Dance, dancing. Share, sharing. Close, closing. Like, liking. Drive, driving. Care, caring. Love, loving. Taste, tasting. Bite, biting. Strike, striking. B. When ing is added to some doing words, then the last letter is doubled. Jog, jogging. Drop, dropping. Shop, shopping. Fit, fitting. Hop, hopping. Hit, hitting. Knit, knitting. Grin, grinning. Get, getting. Roll, rolling.